Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy Jarrell, and welcome to my course, Executing a Team Iteration. I'm an Agile coach who helps teams get better at doing what they love. Did you know that to find success in a scaled Agile implementation involving multiple teams, you must first find success working with a single team? In this course, we are going to learn how you can help your team deliver software products successfully regardless of whatever Agile framework you choose. Some of the major topics that we will cover include what are the traits and roles necessary for you to build a successful Agile team, how to set your team up for success by properly planning the work that they will deliver in the next iteration, how to deliver value to your customers in an iterative fashion, why your team should focus on quality throughout the entire development process, and how your team can evolve to deliver value to your customers in a continuous manner. By the end of this course, you'll know how to help your team successfully deliver value to your customers iteration after iteration. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with basic Agile principles and values such as those found in the Agile Manifesto. I hope that you'll join me on this journey to learn how you can deliver value with your team with the Executing a Team Iteration course at Pluralsight.